Please select which question. Mark 1 answer. You should only use a mobile phone when receiving a call, suitably parked, driving at less than 30 miles per hour, driving an automatic vehicle. Suitably parked. Mark 2 answers. On a long motorway journey, boredom can cause you to feel sleepy. You should leave the motorway and find a safe place to stop, keep looking around at the surrounding landscape, drive faster to complete your journey sooner, ensure a supply of fresh air into your vehicle, stop on the hard shoulder for a rest. Leave the motorway and find a safe place to stop. Ensure a supply of fresh air into your vehicle. Mark 1 answer. You are waiting to turn right at the end of a road. Your view is obstructed by parked vehicles. What should you do? Stop and then move forward slowly and carefully for a proper view. Move quickly to where you can see so you only block traffic from one direction. Wait for a pedestrian to let you know when it is safe for you to emerge. Turn your vehicle around immediately and find another junction to use. Stop and then move forward slowly and carefully for a proper view. Mark 1 answer. Which of the following should you do before stopping? Sound the horn, use the mirrors, select a higher gear, flash your headlights. Use the mirrors. Mark 2 answers. You are most likely to lose concentration when driving if you use a mobile phone, listen to very loud music, switch on the heated rear window, look at the door mirrors. Listen to very loud music, use a mobile phone. Mark 1 answer. When you see a hazard ahead, you should use the mirrors. Why is this? Because you will need to accelerate out of danger, to assess how your actions will affect following traffic, because you will need to brake sharply to a stop, to check what is happening on the road ahead. Mark 1 answer. When you see a hazard ahead, you should use the mirrors. Why is this? Because you will need to accelerate out of danger, to assess how your actions will affect following traffic, because you will need to brake sharply to a stop, to check what is happening on the road ahead. To assess how your actions will affect following traffic. Mark 1 answer. Your vehicle is fitted with a navigation system. How should you avoid letting this distract you while driving? Keep going and input your destination into the system. Keep going as the system will adjust to your route. Stop immediately to view and use the system. Stop in a safe place before using the system. Stop in a safe place before using the system. Mark 1 answer. You are approaching traffic lights that have been on green for some time. You should accelerate hard, maintain your speed, be ready to stop, brake hard. Be ready to stop. Mark 1 answer. Windscreen pillars can obstruct your view. You should take particular care when driving on a motorway, driving on a dual carriageway, approaching a one-way street, approaching bends and junctions. Approaching bends and junctions. Mark 1 answer. You must not use a handheld phone while driving. Using a hands-free system is acceptable in a vehicle with power steering, will significantly reduce your field of vision, will affect your vehicle's electronic systems, is still likely to distract your attention from the road. Is acceptable in a vehicle with power steering, will significantly reduce your field of vision, will affect your vehicle's electronic systems, is still likely to distract your attention from the road. Mark 3 answers. As you approach this bridge, you should move into the middle of the road to get a better view, slow down, get over the bridge as quickly as possible, consider using your horn, find another route, beware of pedestrians. Slow down, beware of pedestrians. Move into the middle of the road to get a better view. Move into the middle of the road to get a better view. Mark 4 answers. Which of the following may cause loss of concentration on a long journey? Loud music, arguing with a passenger, using a mobile phone, putting in a cassette tape, stopping regularly to rest, pulling up to tune the radio. Mark 1 answer. Why are these yellow lines painted across the road? To help you choose the correct lane, to help you keep the correct separation distance, to make you aware of your speed, to tell you the distance to the roundabout. To make you aware of your speed. Mark 1 answer. Your mobile phone rings while you are on the motorway. Before answering, you should reduce your speed to 30 miles per hour, pull up on the hard shoulder, move into the left-hand lane, stop in a safe place. Stop in a safe place. Mark 1 answer. Your vehicle is fitted with a handheld telephone. To use the telephone, you should reduce your speed, find a safe place to stop, steer the vehicle with one hand, be particularly careful at junctions. Find a safe place to stop. Mark 1 answer. Your vehicle is fitted with a hands-free phone system. Using this equipment whilst driving is quite safe as long as you slow down, could distract your attention from the road, is recommended by the Highway Code, could be very good for road safety, could distract your attention from the road. Mark 3 answers. When you are moving off from behind a parked car, you should look round before you move off, use all the mirrors on the vehicle, look round after moving off, use the exterior mirrors only, give a signal if necessary, give a signal after moving off. Give a signal if necessary, look round before you move off, use all the mirrors on the vehicle. Mark 1 answer. In which of these situations should you avoid overtaking? Just after a bend, in a one-way street, on a 30-mile-per-hour road, approaching a dip in the road. Approaching a dip in the road. Mark 1 answer. You are waiting to emerge from a junction. The windscreen pillar is restricting your view. What should you be particularly aware of? Lorries, buses, motorcyclists, coaches, motorcyclists. Mark 1 answer. Before you make a U-turn in the road, you should give an arm signal as well as using your indicators, signal so that other drivers can slow down for you, look over your shoulder for a final check, select a higher gear than normal. Mark 4 answers. Which 4 are most likely to cause you to lose concentration while you are driving? Using a mobile phone, talking into a microphone, tuning your car radio, looking at a map, checking the mirrors, using the demisters. Using a mobile phone, talking into a microphone, tuning your car radio, looking at a map. Mark 1 answer. Using a hands-free phone is likely to improve your safety, increase your concentration, reduce your view, divert your attention. Mark 1 answer. You lose your way on a busy road. What is the best action to take? Stop at traffic lights and ask pedestrians, shout to other drivers to ask them the way, turn into a side road, stop and check a map. Check a map and keep going with the traffic flow. Turn into a side road, stop and check a map. Mark 1 answer. You are turning right onto a dual carriageway. What should you do before emerging? Stop, apply the handbrake and then select a low gear. Position your vehicle well to the left of the side road. Check that the central reservation is wide enough for your vehicle. Make sure that you leave enough room for a vehicle behind. Mark 2 answers. Objects hanging from your interior mirror may restrict your view, improve your driving, distract your attention, help your concentration. Restrict your view, distract your attention. Mark 1 answer. What is the safest way to use a mobile phone in your vehicle? Use hands-free equipment, find a suitable place to stop, drive slowly on a quiet road, direct your call through the operator. Mark 2 answers. You are driving at dusk. You should switch your lights on, even when street lights are not lit, so others can see you, only when others have done so, only when street lights are lit. So others can see you, Mark 1 answer. To answer a call on your mobile phone while travelling, you should reduce your speed wherever you are, stop in a proper and convenient place, keep the call time to a minimum, slow down and allow others to overtake. Mark 1 answer. You cannot see clearly behind when reversing. What should you do? Open your window to look behind, open the door and look behind, look in the near side mirror, ask someone to guide you. Mark 1 answer. You are driving on a motorway and want to use your mobile phone. What should you do? Try and find a safe place on the hard shoulder, leave the motorway and stop in a safe place, use the next exit and pull up on the slip road, move to the left lane and reduce your speed. Mark 1 answer. You are driving on a wet road. You have to stop your vehicle in an emergency. You should apply the handbrake and foot brake together, keep both hands on the wheel, select reverse gear, give an arm signal. Keep both hands on the wheel. Mark 1 answer. This road marking warns drivers to use the hard shoulder. Overtaking drivers, there is a bend to the left. Overtaking drivers to move back to the left. Drivers that it is safe to overtake. Mark 1 answer. You are travelling along this narrow country road. When passing the cyclist, you should go slowly, sounding the horn as you pass, quickly, leaving plenty of room, slowly, leaving plenty of room, quickly, sounding the horn as you pass, slowly, leaving plenty of room. Mark 1 answer. Your mobile phone rings when you are travelling. You should stop immediately, answer it immediately, pull up in a suitable place, pull up at the nearest curb. Pull up in a suitable place. Mark 1 answer. When emerging from junctions, which is most likely to obstruct your view? Windscreen pillars, steering wheel, interior mirror, windscreen wipers. Windscreen pillars. Mark 1 answer. What does the term blind spot mean for a driver? An area covered by your right-hand mirror, an area not covered by your headlights, an area covered by your left-hand mirror, an area not covered by your mirrors. An area not covered by your mirrors. Mark 1 answer. When following a large vehicle, you should keep well back, because this allows you to corner more quickly, helps the large vehicle to stop more easily, allows the driver to see you in the mirrors, helps you to keep out of the wind. Allows the driver to see you in the mirrors. Slow down. Consider using your horn. Beware of pedestrians.